Okay class, we're going to look at some specific questions that we did in the prelim, which were done probably not as well as they could be. This is a describe questions. Now describe questions are not bullet points, so you have to write a paragraph. Now if I was coming up against this question, I'd be saying to myself, right, how many marks is it? There's 4 marks. And it said the lamp has been given a finish, has to be given a finish other than the bare metal. Describe how you would prepare the bare metal for a final finish. Now it's 4 marks and it says describe. These are the key points here. Now if it was me, I'd be doing some bullet points in my head, or in your notes section at the back you could write down some bullet points. Now some bullet points for me would be, for 4 marks I'd be thinking, right, I need to file off the worst of the marks, I need to clean off the engineer's blue, maybe clean the metal back to the bare metal, and probably add a primer so that it helps for any other surface coating that we're going to put on to stick. Okay, now there's a wee hint there at the bottom of the page as well, telling you what metal finishes we could apply. Okay, so I've written up an answer sheet here and I'm basing this on, say, paint a paint finish. Okay, so what I've got there is, using a flat file, remove any burrs and deep scratches. Then using a finer file, emery cloth and steel wool, remove the minor scratches. Removing the last of the engineer's blue with a solvent. Now in this case, you should know that the solvent for an engineer's blue is meths. Then I've made a note of, depending on the finish, degrease and clean the metal, which you should do for every case, but for if you were applying a paint finish, you would apply a primer. Okay guys, so there's 4 easy marks, just a small paragraph, nothing fancy, but if you use that system, like creating some bullet points in your head, thinking the process through step by step, and then simply writing it out as a short paragraph, that should get you the 4 marks. Okay guys, have a think about that.